How to connect eBay to Payoneer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an eBay seller looking to receive payments securely and efficiently, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your eBay seller account to Payoneer. So, whether you're just a beginner or switching from PayPal, this updated tutorial will walk you through the entire process. Stick around because I'm also here to share you some extra tips to avoid delays and payment issues. Now, why use Payoneer with eBay? Since eBay transitioned to manage payments, they've partnered with Payoneer for international sellers. Basically, with Payoneer, you can receive payments directly from eBay, withdraw through your local bank account in your currency, and track transactions easily. It's secure, reliable, and globally accepted solutions, especially useful if you're not based in the US and still want to sell to US customers. And so, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And so, the first thing that we want to do is to go ahead and create or prepare your Payoneer account. Before you connect to eBay, you'll need a verified Payoneer account. So first things first, you have to go through payoneer.com and sign up to an account. You then want to choose individual or business account depending on your seller type. You then want to complete identity verification by submitting your ID and bank account details. Once your account is approved, you want to make sure that you can receive USD payments via the global payment service. Now, as a tip, you want to use the global payment service USD receiving account, not your personal bank account. And from there, we then want to connect Payoneer to eBay. So let's just head over to our eBay seller hub right here. And simply, once inside your eBay account, you just want to navigate through the payments option. You can see that inside the page right here. Unfortunately, I don't have my eBay seller account ready, but you can just spot the payments option inside this page right here. After clicking on payments, you just want to navigate through the payout settings. Click on add or change bank account. Now when prompted, you then want to select Payoneer as your payment method. You'll then be redirected to the Payoneer login page. You simply want to sign in and authorize your eBay account. You then want to choose your USD receiving account from Payoneer. It's usually labeled as First Century Bank or similar. You then want to confirm all the details and submit. eBay will now use your Payoneer account to disburse funds. Now basically after that, after connecting, eBay will take 24 to 48 hours to verify the Payoneer account. You will then be asked to upload documents or confirm banking information. You want to make sure both Payoneer and eBay accounts use the same name and email to avoid delays. Now, you then want to check your Payoneer dashboard to connection status and also check emails from both platforms for updated or required action. And so, how does the payment work once linked? Once you have sold something, eBay processes the buyer's payment, and then the payment is sent to your Payoneer account, usually within 1 to 2 business days. You can then withdraw through your local bank, use the Payoneer card, or make online purchases. You'll also be able to track payment history and fees for both platforms. And so, let's talk about some common issues and how you can basically avoid them. You want to make sure that the names match on both eBay and Payoneer. You want to use a business email if you're operating as a company. You want to complete KYC verification in Payoneer ASAP. You then want to check the Payoneer support dashboard if you're stuck on the pending approval. Now, let's talk about some extra benefits of using Payoneer. Basically, Payoneer supports over 150 currencies. They offer a Payoneer MasterCard for instant access through your funds. They let you pay suppliers directly from your balance. And lastly, it is integrated with platforms like Amazon, Upwork, Fiverr, and more. This makes it easier to manage multiple income streams in one place. Now, let's talk about some alternative ways to Payoneer. Basically, if your Payoneer doesn't work for your region or needs, some alternatives can include Wise for local currency payouts. You then have Hyper Wallet, another eBay supported option, and lastly, local bank transfers. It's limited to certain countries, but Payoneer remains the official and most supported method for non-US eBay sellers. Basically, as an alternative method, you just want to navigate through your Payoneer account right here. And once inside, you then want to click on the pay option. Now, if it's not on the pay option, you just want to navigate through the get paid and you will be able to see the receiving accounts. And basically, once inside this page, click on receiving accounts. And from here, you can then choose your receiving currency. Basically, inside you have currencies or receiving accounts such as USD, Eurozone, UK for GBP. You can just click on the guidelines right here to basically view all of the guidelines for each currency. Basically, with the USA or USD, US dollar, the account guideline is going to be only payments for business transactions from business accounts are supported. Basically, you can use this for your eBay account. The beneficiary name and address used for the transfer must match the account holder name and address in your Payoneer account profile. And so you can just click on the USD or depending on your currency right here, click on next, and right after that, you then have to basically submit a request. After submitting a request, Payoneer will then give you a USA or USD receiving account information or a bank information for USD. You can just go ahead and use this bank information for or from the Payoneer account to enter it on the payment method on eBay Seller Hub right here. And so, once again, to go ahead and avoid common issues and how you can avoid them, you want to make sure that your names match on both eBay and Payoneer. You want to use a business email if you're operating as a company. You want to complete KYC verification in your Payoneer account ASAP. And lastly, you want to check the Payoneer support dashboard if you're stuck on the pending approval. So that is another way on how you can go ahead and integrate Payoneer with your eBay account is by receiving the specific currency bank account information. And so that's it. That's how you connect your eBay seller account to Payoneer. It's simple, secure, and ideal for international sellers. So if this video has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more e-commerce tutorial, and drop a comment if you've liked a video on Payoneer withdrawal tips or eBay selling hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.